Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a very exciting fashion unboxing for you. I have a new handbag, which basically, this is the reason why I'm filming a video. This is the first bag in so long that I've genuinely been excited about when I purchased it, that it made me get on camera to film a video about my unboxing and kind of like a first impressions review. So if you're into fashion, lifestyle content, make sure you subscribe and join my online community, and let's get into this video. So I picked up something from the recent Coach drop. Coach just had a huge release on July 1st, and I happened to be passing by a boutique on July 2nd, and I decided to just pop in and see some of the stuff in person. Totally not really looking to buy anything, to be honest, because the bags that I have my eyes on, the bag that I have my eye on is actually two bags, are supposed to be for the winter collection. So I really went in there to see if I can get some tea on that, like when to expect those bags and when they're launching. And I started talking to an associate, and she showed me this bag, and it was truly love at first sight. So let's just get into the unboxing, and then I'll share all the fun details. All right, guys, I am so excited for this. Let's get into it. I'm super excited. I feel like this is the true testament. Like I said, this bag got me on camera to film an unboxing. So there's the ribbon. It was nice too, because at Coach they asked me, do you want us to package it up in the gift box at all, or did you just want it in the dust bag? So I asked for it to be packaged, but I think it's very nice that they give you the option. I know some people do not care for all this extra packaging. So any guesses before I get into it from the drop from July 1st? Okay, oh, all right. OMG, I'm excited just even holding it. So here's the dust bag. Now, it's going to be all like brand new, so I have to take all the packaging off, so bear with me. Let's do this quickly. Love it. So let me take everything off of it quickly. Excited to see it and share it with you guys. Like how Coach boxes everything so nicely. All right, guys, this is my new beauty. Isn't she gorgeous? So this is the Coach RHYDER 24. It comes in this gorgeous shiny leather finish with, of course, silver tone hardware, which is absolutely my favorite combo. For me, silver tone, black with silver tone hardware, stunning, and black on black will forever have my heart. Like black hardware, black bag, love that combo as well. But look at this bag, and there's so many cute little details. Again, this is a 24 size, so it's small. Guys, just before I get into like the specifics of this bag, does this bag remind you of another designer bag that I happen to really love? Any guesses? This reminds me, I don't even know if I want to say the other designer bag, but it reminds me of the designer bag in the small or mini size, which I didn't have, and now I don't need, because this is absolute perfection. So it comes with a padlock. It says Coach there, and it actually is a functional lock. You could lock the bag if you'd like. It has these extra leather tabs. One simply just says Coach, and the other says the RHYDER Satchel Limited Re-Edition 2014. So that's the official name there. Oh my goodness, look at the little key. It almost looks like the Coach key also looks like a bag charm. I really love it. And I love that it's a bit understated, that it doesn't like say Coach on the leather. It does have Coach on the hardware here, like on all of the hardware and everything, which I love. As far as the front, it just has that classic Coach turn lock, which I find to be more like on vintage bags, so I feel like that adds a little bit of character to the bag as well. But I just think this shining leather is so stunning. Now, of course, this bag is brand new, so it's like super stuffed. I'm going to take the stuffing out because maybe not everything. That creates such a gorgeous slouch. It still looks pretty structured since it's new, but like in store it was a little more floppy, and I love that. It was so good. Oh, it also comes with a long strap that you can wear crossbody. Now, both straps, so this is the shoulder strap, which honestly, this is how I would love to wear it. Shoulder strap. I actually might adjust it to be a little shorter for me because this is hitting like at my waist. I'd like it to be a little more like a shoulder bag. Oh my goodness, so good. So both straps are adjustable. You can do crossbody, you can do shoulder bag. You can wear both straps on the bag at once. I'm not going to do that. I feel like that's a little too busy for me, but you could do that. This bag also comes in a larger size. It comes in this black and a brown with silver hardware. The larger size definitely looks, and I'll just say it, like a Balenciaga City bag. The larger size, it looks like the same size, it's the same silhouette. And I think the way this hardware is and all of that is what reminds me. Now, please know, I think of the Balenciaga City bag very fondly. I think that's probably my first, well, it's probably my favorite designer bag of all time. It was my first YouTube video. It's basically the bag I've worn consistently over the last like almost 15 years. This bag fills such a gap in my current handbag collection, and really it's because I wanted to buy more city bags and I have not, for other reasons we'll talk. But look, love it. So inside it's like cotton lined. It has the Coach leather tab there. This you can open this. I don't know why you would, but this is a functional pocket up front. You can put things there. And yeah, I just really love it. I think this is the perfect, like, effortless, everyday, super chic though bag. I think also this is one of those casual bags that you can dress up. So it's a bag that you can wear all day, and then depending on what you're wearing, you can definitely dress this bag up, especially if you're not wearing it crossbody or just hold it by the top handles. Like, this bag, I think, just checks so many boxes, and I highly recommend it. If you haven't seen this bag, definitely check it out. Now, here's the thing. If you're interested in this bag, I would say you should go to your Coach boutique immediately, because this is sold out online already. This and the brown are sold out online. When I was in my boutique, the Coach boutique, of course, I just wanted to like kind of get some more details, read about it online. And when I went to the website and realized it was already sold out and it only had released the day before, it almost expedited my decision making, because I was like, oh no, I'm not going to be the one who doesn't get this bag. Look, the feet on the bottom. Guys, the details, look at these rivets here. This bag does not give mid-tier luxury contemporary brands at all. No. This is, to me, one of those perfect handbags. definitely timeless. I like the fact too, like I said, there's no Coach branding here. So like you'd have to come in and see this branding, which even this is very subtle because it's like embossed. So unless you really know your bags, no one will know that this is a Coach bag. And not to say there's anything wrong with carrying Coach, but I like that fact. It's this understated, if you know, you know, similar to the Balenciaga City, which has no branding. And this bag doesn't really have branding either. I mean, of course, the hardware says Coach. I also like it because it's a small, versatile bag, but also still large enough to carry your essentials and everything you need for day to day. Guys, I love this. I will link it below, of course, but definitely don't sleep on this one. If you are even curious about it, I recommend you go check it out. And like I said, I got the black. This also comes in white, which I thought would be fun for a summer bag. But honestly, the white, there was something about it that doesn't give the sleekness of the black with the silver hardware. The white with the silver just looked a little muted. The black with the silver looked like a statement classic bag. Guys, I am super excited about this. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. I really want to hear what you think about this bag. Also, was there anything from the Coach drop on July 1st that you picked up or you were looking at? I'm just really curious. I know Coach is everywhere right now, and I feel like I started to get back into Coach like 2022, and it just keeps getting better and better. Like, this is amazing. And guys, wait till they release these bags for winter 2026. There are 2 bags that I'm getting automatically purchasing, like sight unseen, whatever I need to do, I'm getting those 2 bags. They are perfection in my opinion. And right, so Coach they did it again. I can't believe it. And you guys, you have to just check out the chocolate brown suede version of this satchel in the larger size. The slouchiness, the softness of the suede, it just looks so decadent and rich. Honestly, so stunning. It's that is in gold hardware though. So if you're a gold hardware girly, you'll probably prefer that chocolate brown in the suede because it comes with the gold hardware. Either way, they're all stunning. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy shopping. Thank you so much for watching today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.